And I would like to also call you on big welcome to Maria Ruben! May espada na ko. Nakakatakot, tutuwin na ako nito. Sorry, Mars. Kaya baka maawi na. Oo, mama! Wrong one. Hoy! Okay. Yeah. Kaya kumusta naman natin natin. Ayan, Lunaflex, kumusta, Mare?
Init. Okay lang.
Sorry, pagdating na yung iniyaw ko yata, kaya mainit. Okay. Okay, Mare Ruben, kamusta naman?
Okay naman, sabi ko lang.
Of course, welcome back sa second time na rin na kay Bill Lacon. It's always a pleasure to have you back here. Oo naman. And yun na nga po, sila maging judges natin. So, siguro, take it guys go back. So, please go back to the judging table. Again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga judges. Excellent. Stage right. Okay. Yan. So, paano na natin yung ating criteria for judging? Yes. So, criteria for judging natin is character portrayal, 30%, showmanship, 30%, pros and creativity, 20%, and audience impact, 20%, with a total of 100%. I think nakalaan na yata yung ating mga cosplayers. Ating mga cosplayers, ready na. Oo. Again, this is a cosplay Robin competition. Every contestant has a 3 minutes.
Oh, bonus 5.
To perform anything that you want to do. And I think the already is ready for contestant number 1. Already? Ayun na ako. Okay. Big tayo sa gilid para makita nila. May gusto natin lang sa kanila. Spotlight ng Himalaya.
Pero ano, King, pwede rin. Sasahid sa ilalim.
Jarvis, drop my name.
Kasi yung Andy
Number
tsaka
1. Cosplaying as Iron Man.
yung loob ko kanina na yung grab tapos super, pwede yun? Ba't di mo nagagawa? Hindi ko nga magawa eh, di ko alam yung timing. Thank you, contestant number 1. Teka lang, Iron Man. Sabi, kailangan namin to para sa sa tubigan. Go, Dano! Go, Dano!
Okay, huwag natin patagalin pa.
Sayang counter yun, no?
Let's call on contestant
Striker!
number 2.
Bala! Ah, layo!
You think it's wise to put me in here with all these lesser warriors? You might not have any prisoners left for you to God's honor.
Ay, siya ano? Ilan kasali? Ha? Ilan kasali? Wala, 6-7. Ha? 6-7. Baka 8. 8.
I'll make this cold, clean, and painless. The only way this ends is with death. Yours or mine. Yeah!
Deathstroke wins.
You fight well, but not well enough.
Thank you, contestant number 2.
Nice! Woo!
Una naman talaga,
Ay!
kailangan natin
Nako!
kasama si Michael Bay eh. Para may explosion. Ako, ayan. Ito kay Lens Nurse ko yan. Pero yeah, calling on. Alright, so let's go.
Ay,
Next,
nako!
contestant number 3.